Hey guys, today I have a matching Amana washer and electric dryer set. I've got it filling up with water right now. Now I can have this lid up because I've got an additional little striker piece. You can buy those on Amazon. But it allows me to put this here so it thinks that the lid's down and it can lock. And then we can kind of see what's going on. But it's filling up with water right now, and I've got it set to the deep water wash on cold. Of course you could do hot. You can do all the way cold, but we got it set just right about the middle. And it's gonna go ahead and fill all the way up, and then I'll come back, show you that it agitates. It's got a nice, fast, smooth final spin cycle. Then when it's all done, we'll move the clothes over to the dryer, and I'll show you that the dryer's working perfectly. And I do these videos kind of as if you were standing here yourself checking it out. You get to see that everything's working perfect on them. So I'll let this finish filling up and we'll come back. All right guys, we filled all the way up with water. It's getting started agitating now. It will start to vortex and pull those clothes down the middle and then up back out the sides. But you can see plenty of water usage there. It's seemingly stopped adding water. Sometimes it can stop and add a little bit more water, but I think we're done. Moving on. As you can hear, nice and quiet. So I'll come back and show you that the drain is working properly next. All right, we switched over to the drain. I wrap a towel around that to make sure water doesn't kind of kick back up out of there. But you can hear it draining nice and fast. And once it's done draining all the water out, it's gonna spin to extract that soapy water, fill back up with fresh water, agitate for a bit on the rinse cycle, and then we will be on to the final spin cycle, which I'm gonna show you is nice, fast, and smooth. Then we'll switch over to the electric dryer. Okay, final spin cycle time. It's getting up to speed. Now from here, you can see here, sounds great. Nice smooth operation. And of course, once again, I can lift this up because of my additional striker there. At home, it's gonna be locked. As you can see, spinning nice and fast. Smooth operation. All right, now we've got those clothes moved out of the washer. It's all cleaned out into the dryer. Then we've got it set time dry, which is a high heat setting. You've also got an air dry no heat setting, automatic low heat, and automatic high heat. So you've got 4 different options there. You wanna make sure you change out the lint trap before each load. And I'm gonna show you that it is in fact heating like it's supposed to. So right in between those 2 red dots, takes a surface temperature measurement. A little colder on the floor down there, but you'll be able to see everything's tumbling there. And then right from this heating element tube, tons of heat coming out of that tube right there. Now that in turn is gonna heat the inside of your dryer up anywhere from about 195, or excuse me, from about 95 up to 195. So it's real hot right there in the tube because your heating element's kind of back behind here. The air comes up through here, inside the dryer with the clothes, out right there, which is where the lint trap catches it. So that's why it's so important to have that cleaned out, is so you have good airflow. And then out the back of your dryer there. That being said, once you have your vent hose on the back of the dryer, it'll actually be a lot quieter. Without that vent hose on there, you can kind of hear that blower motor going. So once you have your vent hose hooked up at your house, it'll be much quieter than that. But otherwise, now you know, everything on them works perfect. We'll go ahead and grab some pictures and list these up for sale. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch my video. Thanks, you guys have a great day.